This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can set a custom folder naming on this drone. So to start, make sure that your drone and RC are connected. You are in the Go Fly interface, and from here go to Settings. Next, select the camera category on top, scroll almost all the way to the bottom, and look for the custom folder naming option. Tap on it. Here in this text field, simply select or set the custom name for your folder. Then press OK, create. And that's it. Now all your files, all your recordings from the drone will be automatically saved into the folder with the name you have just set, with the custom name you have just set. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.